Good afternoon. Here we have a stunning 2014 458 Spider finished in Grigio Silverstone. Car comes with a Sabia interior. Also comes with the remainder of the 7-year service plan, which expires on the 17th of June 2021. Car comes with a carbon fibre rear moulding, rear parking sensors, 20-inch forged diamond rims, yellow brake calipers. Also have the Scuderia Ferrari shields, which really work nicely next to the calipers, as you can see. Car comes with the AFS lighting system, as well as the tyre pressure measurement system. Absolutely beautiful colour combination on this vehicle. Works so well. The 458 is timeless. Incredible shape. I love the Spider with the vents on the engine cover. This vehicle, as I say, is a 2014 and has only covered 7,500 miles from new and is in exceptional condition in line with its age and mileage. I'll come onto the interior in just a second. Just want to show you the carbon fibre rear moulding a bit close, because that really does set the back of the vehicle off. Onto the interior of the vehicle. As you can see, dual coloured electric leather seats with diamond pattern. These seats are full electric as well. Also have the charcoal piping. Cavallino horse stitched into the headrests. Focus the camera. Car comes with the Filo Speciale charcoal coloured special stitching. Focus the camera again. The coloured safety belts are finished in Cincha Sabia. Focus the camera. The leather tunnel in the centre is again finished in charcoal. You can see the stitching. You also have the carbon fibre central bridge, which in my opinion is an absolute must for the 458. Sets it off beautifully. You also have the carbon fibre dashboard inserts, as you can see. Charcoal coloured carbon fibre steering wheel with LED shift lights. Also have the yellow rev counter, another must in my opinion for the 458 models, if the camera will focus. There you go. Upper dashboard and front trim is charcoal coloured again. You have a leather headlining when the roof is on, iPod connection, radio navi system with Bluetooth. Also have the NavTrack anti-theft system. What we're going to do now is go around to the rear of the vehicle, start it up, give it a couple of revs. As you can see here, this really does focus the camera with that Cavallino, set the car off beautifully. Next, that carbon fibre. Okay, so we'll start the car. Give it a couple of revs. Never get bored of that sound. Please contact us for more information. Just going to show you the vehicle from the other side with the roof on. See the depth and the finish of the paint. There you go. Sensational spec.